Alright, so when you're removing the linkage arm on an E1200 or an E1000, you're going to need a special tool, which is down here, which we're going to grab in a second. But first thing is you want to remove both these end caps, which I've removed already from the one side. I'm going to remove this from this side. And now we're going to grab this tool. When you receive this tool, these come out, so you just got to screw them in. And once you screw them in, you take these little cap nuts, I'm on the end of it. And these are what's going to hit inside the axle area to pull this out. So as you can see, this goes over the arm. One goes here. One's going to go over here towards the axle center. You almost want to do these evenly so that it doesn't bind on you. So I've been doing little by little here. That way you're doing it evenly. It's already starting to come out. Alright, so then once it's almost out, you're going to go ahead and unscrew this, remove the tool. Just by wiggling it back and forth. There it goes. Okay, now this here is the tool that we're going to use to put the linkage arm right back on. It comes apart like that, of course, in a bag. You want to make sure your nut is on the back side of it, of the disc. Get your arm up here. Get as far in as you can. And then you're going to screw this into the middle of the axle. Your other one in there. And this is going to use a 13 millimeter. I'm going to go in a little ways so it's tight. There. Then we'll use this nut right here. As you apply pressure clockwise to this nut, it's going to push these discs and push that in. And the same concept as taking it off. Probably want to do 1 or 2 turns on each side. Did 3 here on this one. And work your way all the way until it goes back into place. And as you can see, again, I just keep going 2 and 3 turns until we get towards the end here of the axle. That's completely in. Just remove your nuts. You can see it's completely flush, and then you're able to put your cap back on.